So we get tons of questions about, do you guys maintain vehicles? Do you just detail them one time? Do you have any maintenance packages? And we do. We have a wash club, which is our maintenance package. We do it for cars, SUVs, trucks, any vehicle you have, we can put it on a maintenance plan. And right now I'm going to show you guys exactly what's included, what it costs, and how we can actually keep your vehicle at showroom level year round. So this BMW X5 is a member of our wash club. They get a maintenance detail once a month on a schedule that works for them. All the scheduling's adjustable. And it just turns out that this is way easier for you as the vehicle owner, because it's going to keep your car at showroom quality all year round. As you can see, it allows you to keep your car for what it actually is, which is an investment. No buildup in the door jams, stuff that's super hard to clean, no huge messes that are gonna require you know, to go to the car wash 24/7. Not to mention that all of the car washes damage your vehicle through micro scratching in the paint. Literally every nook and cranny of a vehicle on our maintenance plan stays clean. I mean, the car, all the jams, everything is perfect. And when you go to, you know, if you're leasing your vehicle, if you're purchasing your vehicle, it doesn't really matter. You're gonna want to get the best return on investment that's possible for you. So instead of getting your car detailed once a year and it being this huge project that you're gonna pay tons and tons for, why not keep your car completely maintained year round? It's gonna save you money in the long run when you trade in or sell your vehicle. And it's gonna give you a world-class experience because your car is perfectly clean 24/7. So you may be curious what all is included in the wash club. Well, not only is it a full interior detail, but the exterior is maintained at the exact same quality that we maintain the interior. This thing is completely hand washed every single time. Wheels and tires are cleaned, dressed, all bugs are removed. If there's imperfections in the paint, we'll buff them out, remove them. And the secret sauce to this is that we throw in a free 1-year ceramic coating on the vehicle to help ensure that the exterior stays in perfect condition. Now, what's it cost to be a member of the Clean Command Wash Club? Well, it's pretty simple. For an SUV like this is going to cost you $175 a month, and that is going to ensure that your car is kept perfect year round. Prices do vary depending on the type of vehicle. So SUVs would be at that $175 range, where smaller cars wouldn't be quite as much. So if you guys have a nice vehicle that you're wanting to keep maintained constantly year round in showroom quality, make sure to join the Clean Command Wash Club. You can give us a call at 843-823-2205 or book your first appointment at www.cleancommandsc.com/auto detailing.